Hello, my name is Omar Darouiche and I'm the Managing Director of the company Vending-machines.ie. We are the main distributor company for Sanden Vendo in Ireland and in North of Ireland. Our company specializes in outdoor machines and indoor machines for construction sites. We start to use Nayax from the beginning of our company. We have now several hundred machines all around the country. We decided to go for Nayax for their versatility and the possibility of installing them in outdoor units, which is probably 80% of our market.
I would say in a construction site, 90% of the transactions are through credit card.
One of the main points why we decide to go for Nayax is for their amazing telemetry software solution. We can control all our machines in different locations of the country, live from our phone and from our office. We're very happy to announce that as of from this year, we're going to start to promote Monix, the app from Nayax, within all our clients and our vending machine. Monix will give us an opportunity to create loyalty programs within our client and offer them the possibility of winning items through the use of this app.
I think I check Nayax more than I check Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. Just give us all the information I need to know. All our team are using Nayax all the time. I mean, it's the core of our operation.